This is the SUGON T61 soldering station from AliExpress. It is built for precision electronics work with a 400-watt switching power supply that brings the tip back to temperature very quickly. Compatibility is a highlight. The station supports the C470 heating core by default, and it also works with the T245 and the T210 handles. Automatic identification makes it simple to switch between cores and handles for different jobs. Control is handled by software. You get instant hang-up to reduce heat at the stand, automatic temperature compensation, and easy conversion between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. There are 3 memory presets, so you can store common temperatures for micro-soldering, leaded work, or high-mass joints. The design focuses on accuracy and comfort. An adjustable handle bracket sets your iron at about 45 degrees for a stable reach across boards. A silicone storage slot lets you insert and remove the heating core without tools, which saves time during tip changes. In daily use, the T61 delivers tight thermal control for phone motherboard repair, small component rework, and BGA touch-ups. Rapid recovery helps avoid cold joints, and the high power supply maintains temperature when you solder larger pads or ground planes. If you want a compact station with true 400-watt power, fast recovery, and support for C470, T245, and T210 systems, the SUGON T61 from AliExpress is a strong choice for professional PCB repair.